Hey guys, before my dad starts this video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit the notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What's going on? It's your boy Kerry Too Smooth. If you're brand new to this channel, please go ahead and click the bell to be notified. But before that, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel. All right. So today I'm going to be teaching you a new concept, and I want you to watch at the end because I'm going to show you how to apply it. All right. So this channel is definitely about R&B guitar. I want to show you how to play that R&B sauce. Now, if you're looking for more stuff, I highly suggest going to kerryscamp.com. We have lessons and so much more that are going to show you how to really unpack and unlock this fretboard. But let me go and get into this lesson right now. So this lesson, I want to teach you a concept that's going to show you that you can use and you can apply. The song that I'm primarily going to be working on today is Jasmine Sullivan's Let It Burn, right? So I'm going to be teaching you this concept that I feel like it's a really cool chord movement if you're trying to not really stay in the box of playing the same thing every single time. Now, before we do anything, I always tell you, like, if it does not fit on the gig, don't try to fit it on the gig. But it's just a cool concept that you can apply if everybody around you feels comfortable with it, the artist, the band, or whatever. So here it is. Okay, so we're going to start out, and I bounce between the numbers and the chord names. So if you're not familiar with the number system, you definitely want to check out kerryscamp.com because we have courses and so much more to really explain to you the number system so you understand that language that I'm talking about. But let's just listen to the song first so that we understand like what they're doing. Okay, so let's just listen.
Next song is a blast from the past. We're going to do it for y'all. Let it burn. Come on. See you coming down. I want to you. Complicated, but I'm
All right, cool. So we know that this song is going to be in B major. And you're like, oh, how do you figure out that? Is you have to understand the notes that are in the scale. Again, we got all that kind of stuff in Kerry's Camp. So I don't want to get all into that, but I want to show you the concept that I'm doing. So because we're in B, we're going to start off in the A flat minor. We're going to go minor then dominant 7. So we're extending that C minor chord. And then we're going to go to that minor 9 down here. So you're doing like hammer-ons and other stuff in that between. So like you're playing that sus, that G to that 7 chord, dominant 7. Then you're going to extend that C minor chord, hammer on, so you can C sharp minor 9. Because you want to make sure you catch that rhythm. All right, so that's the concept. Just playing that sus into that dominant 7 till you're extending that C sharp minor 7 chord because we're extending it. So we're like going all these. So you're extending up to that E. So C sharp, E flat, E, hammer on, then that C minor 9. But you're not playing that in the bass. You're not playing that C sharp in the bass. Okay, so let's apply it. Let's hear how it sounds when we apply it. One, 2, 3, 4. So you get the idea, you get the concept behind what we're doing. Again, this is just if you're looking to try to add some different level of flavoring to your playing, that you're not sticking in the same box. It's very tasteful, it's subtle, but it still fits in what you're doing. So always remember, if it does not fit on the gig, just because you can do it doesn't mean you should do it. But now I'm just giving you some different ideas that, like, if you have an opportunity to stretch out a little bit, or if you want to play some different kind of changes around the band, you can definitely do this. So that's the concept. That's what I want to teach you. If you love this channel, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified. If you want more lessons like this, go ahead and just drop a comment, because that's the best way for me to know. Or if there's something that you want to try to learn, or if you're looking to try to go even deeper because you're like, yo, this stuff is really cool, but I really want to put my hands in whatever you're doing, go to kerryscamp.com, KERYSKAMP.com. I hope to see you in both places. Peace.